to the second episode of Cooking in the House with Brendo. Tonight, we're going to be making baked halibut. I've never made this dish before, but my mom makes it all the time, and it's fantastic. First, we start off with some seasoned halibut. Yum, doesn't that smell fresh? I seasoned it with salt and pepper. This salt and pepper will add nice flavor to it while the halibut cooks. Delicately lay the halibut out in the dish. Next, add some olive oil. Generously cover the fish in olive oil. A little bit of lemon zest is also nice. Evenly distribute the lemon zest on each of the different halibut fillets. Since we want to make this dish extra good, I've cut up some olives and tomatoes. Put the olive oil, olives, and tomatoes into the dish and evenly distribute. Another ingredient that we're gonna add are capers. Not fair. These capers are hard to open.
Use a rubber band. Oh.
Using a spoon, using a fork, distribute the capers over the halibut. If you don't like capers, don't add a lot. But if you do like them, feel free to add as many as you would like. Tonight, I added about a fourth of the jar. Using the lemon that you use for zest, cut it in half and spread the juice over the halibut as well. Do the same with the second half. Lastly, take some white wine and add it to the Pyrex. Use about a half cup. Place the halibut in the oven until it is cooked completely at 375 degrees. Thanks! See you guys next time!